Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to find the diameter of a sphere, circumference of a sphere, surface area of a sphere, and volume of a sphere in one function C++. And the function name is going to be called circle. So yeah, let's get to it. So we're going to include IO stream, which is the input-output stream. Just forget this comment. We're using namespace std, so it's like I don't have to write this in front of every line of code like that. So yeah, so we're gonna call our function circle, and the only thing our function is taking is the radius. So the only thing that's taken is the radius. We make it double, since we'll be multiplying with pi, which is 3.14, which is a double number. Could be float too, but double allows us to have like a larger number, so we're gonna use double. So we have double pi. This is pi. Shout out Mabu for pi. Anyways, but yeah. Anyways, yeah. But anyways, this is pi, which is 3.15, blah blah blah, 2 da da da. So we have our diameter, which is 2 times the radius. So it's 2r. Just 2r. That's our radius. So we just could do 2 times radius. And this is what we do. We took this, the double, what we took inside the function. Let's multiply it. Circumference is 2 pi r squared. So it's like 2 pi. No, it's actually not 2 pi r squared, just 2 pi r. So circumference is 2 pi r. And our surface area is what's it called? 4 pi r squared. That's why we multiplied radius twice. Don't forget to put it in a bracket. So yeah, so the bracket is key. So like, so it goes like 4 times pi, then radius square. Same thing here. It goes pi, then 4/3 times radius cubed, which is volume. So this is going to be go 4 pi. Let's go 4 pi. Pi multiplied by 4/3 multiplied by r cubed. I have a volume here. So here we're just seeing out everything, which is we're outputting into the console, which is the diameter of the sphere is diameter, surface area of the sphere, surface area, the circumference of the sphere is circumference, the volume of the sphere is volume, and yeah. So our main function is just gonna take in one variable, which is the radius. So I'm just gonna like say I'm gonna console output enter the radius of the circle, and it's gonna console input CIN is basically console input and the radius, and then we just skip a line here so we can get the answer on its own. And here is circle radius, which calls this function right here. I just put RD, which is the value of the radius we want to find our answers for. So yeah, so I'm just gonna run the program now. Zoom in a little bit. So the radius of the circle, let's say 10. There we go. The diameter of the sphere is 20. You can put in, you can see out whatever units you want to put in, but we're just gonna take in the literal value because it's really dependent on whatever the radius is. So for example, if the radius is centimeters, the sphere at the diameter will be 20 centimeters, and so the volume will be 4,188.79 centimeter cube, blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna leave that up to you because it's really up to you. So yeah, I'm just gonna run the program again. Let's try a different value. Now sign. So let's like try 69. So yeah, this is so we get this because like the value is just too big. It's like, yeah, the value is too big, get it? But anyway, let me just run this again. Let's go for 16. And yeah, the volume of the sphere is da da da. By the way, like also the previous answer, the volume is not an error. It's just like the number is too big, so like it writes it in a different format. So yeah. So the radius is 16, the diameter is 32, surface area is 3,216.99, 100 point, the circumference is 100.53.1, volume of spheres. But yeah, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Like and subscribe. Type shit. Yeah.